Hi everybody, Ryan Hammond here with more tips and tools for managers. Today I want to talk about the most basic of employee engagement elements. I know what's expected of me at work. Now I'm the Love Monday, just like Friday guy, and I specialize in employee engagement, and I want to share this tip today for managers. Now the interesting thing about knowing what's expected is that we know only about 6 in 10 people know what's expected of them at work. So when you hear a statistic like that, if you're a manager of a team of 10 people, for example, you might say, well, who are my 4 that don't know what's expected of them at work? And I'll tell you, my experience is that it never works that way. You either have a team where everybody knows what's expected, or you have a team where no one knows what's expected. And so what do we do with that information? If you find through your engagement instrument, whatever survey you use, and you're asking a question like this, that people don't agree they know what's expected of them, what do? Is that an initiative where you break out the job description and say, here it is guys, read this, once you do, you'll know what's expected? Of course not. We know, you know, and I know that we use that job description to hire people, and then it's cast aside and never looked at again. So what do? It is all about what you are measuring, what you're analyzing, what you're feeding back to your employees and coaching them on. So it's feedback, analysis, actually it's data gathering, feedback, analysis, and coaching. So what are you gathering data on? Hopefully the things that matter to productivity and getting the work done in your organization. If you're doing that, that's great, and you're measuring that. Now, if you're stopping at measuring it and it's going nowhere, you're still missing the boat on this. You've got to analyze the data, you've got to have that feedback available to give to your employees, and then coach them on how to do better, how to know more about what's expected of them. And if you're doing that, this is going to turn around quickly. In fact, if you're already doing it, I'm sorry the time you've wasted watching this video, but if you're not doing that, I would be willing to bet that your team does not know what's expected of them. So if you need help with this, again, I've helped organizations in corporate, retail, restaurants. I can help you in whatever your industry is, because these concepts translate to every industry. Go to ryanhammond.com, RYANHOUMAND.com. It's a long name, sorry. Fill out the form and we'll have a talk. And hopefully you can have good luck with this video using these principles to help your team know what's expected of them at work. And I will talk to you soon.